Charles Lowder was one of the most important ritualist priests in Victorian England and one of the key architects of what later became called the slum priest tradition. He was born in 1820, educated at Oxford, ordained in the Church of England, and became a central figure in the Catholic revival's work among the urban poor. Lowder is crucial because he joined two things that many people tried to keep apart: a strong sacramental churchmanship and hard, practical, stubborn urban mission. He was not content with Catholic theory in the college room. He went into difficult parishes, especially in London, and helped build a mission culture where worship, pastoral care, charity, and endurance belonged together. He is especially associated with the work in the East End and with St. Peter's, London docks. That context is key because Dockland poverty was not hard to see. It was crowded, dirty, unstable, and morally judged from a distance by people who usually did not have to live there. Lowder did not romanticize it, but he stayed in it. And that staying is part of the reason why he became such an important figure in ritualism. He was controversial, very controversial. His ritualism drew hostility. There were riots and mockery. There was real conflict over ceremonial worship and what his opponents took to be Romanizing religion. But that is precisely why Lowder is so revealing. He shows that the Victorian church conflict was not only about ideas on paper. It was fought in the streets, in the sanctuaries and poor neighbourhoods, and where theology had public consequences. Lowder helped found the Society of the Holy Cross, which was a priestly brotherhood that became deeply associated with Anglo-Catholic discipline and mission. Again, that tells us something. This is not freelance eccentricity. It was a disciplined attempt to renew priestly life and church mission, all in a Catholic setting. And what makes him historically important is not that he liked ritual, it was that he embodied a whole strategy. It was bring sacramental worship into neglected urban England, treat the poor as worthy of the church's full life, and then endure hostility, build mission patiently, stay where other people would rather not stay. And that is a serious legacy. And yes, there is a danger in later myth-making because people can turn Lowder into a stained glass character and miss the harder truth. He was operating inside conflict, class anxiety, and the ambiguities of Victorian paternalism. He was not beyond criticism, but he was real, and he helped make Anglo-Catholic mission among the poor look concrete, costly, and durable. So Charles Lowder was a ritualist priest, urban missionary, and builder of Catholic work in the slums. He was one of the men who proved that liturgy in 19th century England was never just about taste, but it was about what sort of church would dare to remain present among people when almost everyone else preferred to discuss it from a safe distance.